In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix ChatGPT network error 2026 full guide. First, let's clear up a common misunderstanding around the out of space for saved memories message. This error is about your personalization list, the small set of facts ChatGPT remembers about you across chats. Upgrading your plan won't increase those core memory slots. Paid tiers may refresh which items are prioritized, but the actual storage limit doesn't grow. To free space, you need to manage or delete entries. Open your profile in the bottom left corner, select Settings, then go to the Personalization tab, click Manage next to Memories, and use the trash can icon to remove anything outdated, duplicated, or no longer useful. This instantly opens room and prevents memory-related slowdowns that can show up like network hiccups. If you want a powerful boost, use the profile consolidation trick. The memory cap counts how many entries you have, not how long each entry is. Start a chat and ask, provide a complete detailed bulleted report of every memory you have saved about me. Copy that text. Return to Settings, Personalization, Manage, and choose Delete All to wipe the fragmented list. Then open a new chat and prompt, consolidate these facts into a single, highly structured user profile text block with zero fluff, and commit this entire block to your memory. Paste your list below it. One compact entry can reclaim a huge number of slots, reducing errors tied to overloaded memory. Next, target your browser's site data. When streaming feels choppy or cuts off mid-sentence, corrupted cookies or cached files are common culprits. Open your browser settings, head to Privacy and Security, and choose Delete Browsing Data. Set the range to all time and clear cookies and cache. If you'd rather avoid signing out of other sites, click the lock icon in the ChatGPT address bar, open cookies and site data, and delete data only for OpenAI.com and ChatGPT.com. If a single conversation thread has grown massive, give yourself a fresh canvas. Ask ChatGPT to summarize the entire conversation framework in detail. Copy that summary, start a new chat, paste it, and continue. Close extra tabs to free up RAM. And if your browser keeps hanging, try the native desktop app from chatgpt.com/download for smoother performance. Finally, verify the global status. Open a new tab and go to status.openai.com to see if there's elevated latency or gateway degradation. If everything shows green, the slowdown is local to your browser profile or network path. Keep your memories lean and your local data clean, and you'll avoid most network-style glitches. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.